of the key role of the growth parameters between the two countries. And here is we input the econometric analysis procedures and creates a multiple regression model, and then defines the importance of the model by the Kusum test and Kusum square test, Fisher test, and student test defines the importance of the parameters of the regression model, and by the Dickey-Fuller test we define the stationarity of the rows. And then here is we have introduction of our research. It's actual research and it consists of nowadays Azerbaijan has relationship between the Russia, and here is growth parameters. We input the Russian trade turnover and between the Azerbaijan and relationship Azerbaijan and Russian GDP. And then here is recent publications, recent days and recent years. We have several several researchers about the growth parameters and between the countries. Here is analysis about the co-integration test and econometric test. And then methodology of the research, and first one we describe the descriptive dynamical graphics representation, and here is by the trade turnover, and then GDP of Russian and Azerbaijan and receipts of the model. Then descriptive statistic. What's a descriptive statistic? Descriptive statistic is defines the statistical estimation of the variables of the model, and here is by the skewness, kurtosis, and then mean, median, maximum, minimum, standard deviation. We define the statistical value of the variables. Then we have correlation analysis, and here is we have degree of between the relationship, and the relationship between the variables it's strong, and here is the greater number of the 0.7. Then we create a multiple regression model, and here is the statistic of the regression model. It's importance, and it's a y importance, and it's greater than 0.5. And then in determination coefficient is a close 1. It's meaning that it's a strong approximation process. And then here is the other analysis, and for example it's a multiple regression form, and by the abuse procedures we find it. And then we define by the Kusum and Kusum test we define the importance of the regression parameters, and then we